Hi friends, this video shows how to order grocery items, vegetables and other products using Amazon Now 10 minutes. First open Amazon app, then tap on this Now icon on top. Tap here. Then select the products which we need to purchase. We can select from this list or we can even search. On top you can see a search field. There you can search and add the products. Let me search and add the product. So I am going to add this rice. Let me tap on this rice. Then here you can see add to cart button. Here you can see the price, MRP, then their price. See 5 kg, then the percentage of offer, then tap on add to cart. See, now I have added one product to cart. Let me go back, and here if you tap here you will be able to see the details. You can see one item is there in the cart. Tap on proceed. I am going to make the payment. Tap on proceed, then tap on proceed to pay. Tap on this button, proceed to pay. Here we can select the payment method. Here I am going to make the payment using Amazon Pay ICICI Bank credit card. So here you can see the offer. So I can save INR 86 as cashback on full payment. We can tap on that details link. Let me tap on details. Here we can see more details. Cashback on Amazon Now category, that is INR 70. Amazon Pay ICICI credit card cashback, that is INR 16. Total I get cashback of INR 86. Let me close this and complete the payment. Tap on this close button on top, then tap on pay. Tap on this pay button. Please wait, then tap on approve. Payment successful. See, now I have placed that order. You can see right now they are packing the order. See, it says your order packed. Now it's ready for shipping. See, right now my order is on the way. Please wait. See, now you can see the order is near my apartment. You can see the status here, near you. So soon they will deliver the product. Okay, product has been delivered. You can see the status. Your order arrived in 10 minutes 16 seconds. This way we can order products using Amazon Now 10 minutes. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.